one with the best software program go the hardest. That's just me though. You know what I'm saying? We might have to change the motherboard, make sure it's moving correctly. You know how that goes. You know, if you don't, then this is why everything is as above, so below, as within, so without. That's what the star diagram represents. You know what I'm saying? So as above, so below, as within, so without. And that's 3, 6, 9. 3, that's awareness. 6, that's awareness. 9, that's cosmic awareness. So we got surface level awareness, balanced awareness, cosmic level awareness. That's when you're getting deep, like them 9 ether beings, 3, 6, 9, universal divine mind of awareness. And we gotta remember that. Everything is consciousness. God is consciousness. Before it was anything else, it was consciousness. Know that. That's the truth right there. Like, everything that manifests comes from a point of consciousness. So you need to be really strategic about your consciousness. And that's what I'm giving y'all. I'm giving you consciousness of what clarity versus cloudiness is, so you can pinpoint it. See, when you keep it simple within duality, see, that's the universal law of polarity. Now you have empowered yourself under universal laws, the power of universal laws. That means it works in everything because it's universal. You get what I'm saying? So we stay operating in these truths. That's clarity versus cloudiness. And let me just get it right here. Reaction versus response. When you're reacting, that means that if I'm not reacting positively, then it's going to lead to something negative. That means I'm dysregulated. I want to make sure my reactions are based on a positive response. You get what I'm saying? So I'm responding correctly, moving from a point of cloudiness instead of just being, see, when you're reacting and people can make you react how they want you to react, people, places, things can make you react how they want you to react, they can keep you dysregulated like that because you don't know what type of negativity they might be pushing at you. So you got to be very wary of what you're surrounding yourself with. Remember that. So you want to make sure you're responding correctly to any negativity and responding correctly to positivity and having clarity to respond correctly so you can pinpoint if it's negative or positive, because you might not always be able to see that, because when you move from cloudiness, you are confused. And we only like to move from understanding. So we're going to respond correctly from a point of understanding and clarity. So that's reaction versus response. That's a great duality to have, you know what I'm saying? Because not saying that reactions are bad, but you don't want to be reacting negative, because what you put out is what you get back. Now you done created the trajectory of things that are headed in a negative direction. And negativity leads to potential consequences. And we don't need them kind of consequences because it creates a ripple effect in the ocean of motion that we all live in. The ocean of motion is the energy field that we all live in. And this energy field is positive, negative, and neutral. You know what I'm saying? It's subtle, but it's dynamic. It's simple, but it's complex. You get what I'm saying? So, each one teach one. King Lines, Divine Mathematics. And I'll show you.